Every 10 years in Earth's time, a vortex opens up. This is one of the reasons why most people have the sense that there isn't as much time as there used to be, or some people never have enough time in the day to get all the things done. Now, what was once 60 minutes is now 15 minutes. That's because of the vortex that opens up every 10 years, causing time to warp from the Philadelphia experiment that took place August 12, 1943. Earth was also thrown out of sync in the year 1943 with the invention of a time machine in the Philadelphia experiment. It was also called the Invisibility Project because during the project, they were also trying to invent a radar of invisibility. A vortex is like a whirling mass of water or air that sucks everything down in the center. Once a vortex opens up, time begins to warp and then a time continuum happens, meaning you get locked in one point in time of your own timeline. This is what happens with the vortex and the principle of time. This vortex is also a gateway for extra density beings or extraterrestrials to travel through. Now, the Philadelphia experiment was an experiment to accomplish teleportation of a warship called the USS Eldridge from Philadelphia to a dock near Norfolk in Virginia by using Albert Einstein's unified field theory. The head of this project was Nikola Tesla. His assistant was Von Neumann, and other crew members and two brothers worked along with them whose names were Duncan Cameron and Alfred Balik. To cut it short, before the ship was ready for teleportation, everyone on board had an emotional attachment with the current timeline. So when the ship returned back to 1943 from 1983, people were stuck in the walls. Others faded in and out of dimensions until they died, and some people even regressed back to a baby. That's because the scientist Von Neumann couldn't lock in on their zero time reference because he needed a computer for each crew member time reference that didn't come into existence until 1983, or 40 years after. The magnetic pull from the generators that supplied the energy for this experiment, an opening from the time machine used for teleportation, is what caused the vortex to open that opens up every 10 years, starting from August 12, 1943. The next vortex would be in August 12, 2033, and other beings from other dimensions that are positive or negative can get pulled into the Earth's time reference.